In this video, I will show you how you can close your eToro trading account. And first, we have to open our eToro app. After we have done that, we click on the three lines on the top left. And now we click on Settings. After we have done that, we click on Account right here. And now we're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Close your eToro account. We're gonna click on it. And now we have to select a category why we want to close our account. You can select anything you want right here and then click on continue. Now you need to say that you really want to close the account and not change your mind. So we have to scroll down and say no, please close my account and click continue. And then your account will be closed. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.